In today's video, I'll show you how to create t-shirt graphic using the wavy text effect in just a few simple steps. Make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any part of the process. Let's get started. To begin, create your artboard. Search for a t-shirt template and select it. Once the Canva editor opens, name your document. Now we'll start designing the t-shirt. Go to the Apps section in the right side menu and search for Type Gradient. Select the app. When it opens, enter your text in the text box. The default font doesn't look right. Change the font. So select Briarwood Heavy. Now update the gradient color. I'll use this gradient style. Adjust the gradient direction to achieve a clean, balanced look. Then fine-tune the letter spacing to make the text look more cohesive. Once everything looks good, click Add to Design. Your design will appear on the artboard. Adjust its position and size as needed. Next, download the design as a PNG. Make sure to enable transparent background before downloading. After the image is downloaded, add a new page and upload the PNG file. Select the uploaded image and place it on the artboard. Adjust it properly. Now we'll make the text wavy. Go back to the Apps section and search for Warp. Select the first app. Click on your image, then apply Warp. Adjust the brush size and gently create the wave effect. Refine the shape until it looks natural. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Your wavy text graphic for a t-shirt is now complete. Once your design is ready, place it on t-shirt mockups and start selling it online on Etsy. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.